Okay, y'all, same as neon, and I don't know if I have a good one for that, but we're just gonna put brown eyes because we're actually normal and like everyone. Oh, my bad. Why the skin color, guys? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Then we're gonna do this one. And the lips, what lips should we do? White, yeah. Who in the actually world is gonna do white? Just do some simple neon. Cause, I want to. Okay! Just kidding, guys. I better go like this. We're gonna do, like, light blue neon, guys. Yeah, cause I'm so tired. But actually, just kidding. We're actually gonna do rainbow neon, of course. Anyways, we forgot about our nose. Our beautiful looking nose. There you go. Yeah, we're just gonna add 2 noses. Yay! Let me get a hairstyle at least. We're gonna do Sophia, and we're gonna be a blonde ape. Cause I want to be blonde, okay, guys? We're gonna have like some purple highlights, cause why not? Cause do you think I'm gonna add highlights? Yes, I know. I'm supposed to be bald. Yes, guys, I'm bald. No. Yes. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm tired. Yeah, we're just gonna add 2 hair. Why not? I feel like this should be the... Absolutely not. Actually, yeah, that looks 10 times worse. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna leave it out at this point. We're wasting all our entire time just on picking hair. Okay. Oh, yeah, that looks beautiful. Can we, like, just rainbow? Just make it plain. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah. No. Give me a dress. I want a dress. Okay, we're gonna have to... Yeah, we're only gonna add that. Pastry dress. No. I'm only gonna add the skirt because I'm so stupid. I don't know what to do. Get out. Okay, give me a better skirt. Yay. Oh my god, bro. When are you gonna give me a better freaking top? Okay, that looks cute. Now we're taking the 𝐿𝐴𝐢𝐢. Yay. Yeah, we're gonna put some pants because I'm tired as we need shoes. How could I forget? Like, guys who forget stuff. I wonder how. Definitely not me. Who would say me? Not like, bro. How rude. Yes, we just. We're gonna do blue and light blue. Cause I really don't care about my life right now. Yay. Give me the. No. No. I'm gonna crash out. No, no, no. You gotta be kidding me. Ain't no freaking way. Ain't no damn way. Ain't no damn way. Ain't no damn way. Ain't no damn way. Stop. 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 This is the best I could do. Oh my. I didn't even add accessories in the first place, and I had 5 minutes. God. So rude. Did someone delete the time or something? Did they add challenges, only like a 3-minute challenge or something? Like, girl, we're not in Pride Month right now. Wait, what? Wait, no, we are. Wait, no, what? Are we? No, yeah, we are. We're not gonna be in Pride Month anymore. It's not the time right now, okay, girl? Not the time to be anything like that. KYS. Just kidding. This is all for a joke. Oh, yeah, it's all for a joke. Yeah, Shirley, yes. I'm sorry, guys. I rage bait so much. Let me try to calm down for once. Okay, she actually did slay. I'm gonna give it 3 stars. I'm playing, guys. Hold up. I need you to shut the up. I did play. Yeah, we're just gonna do nothing, bro. Yeah, guys, look at me. I actually slay for once. Yes, this is what I thought. This is what I tried with. I tried, don't blame me. Guys, it was for a joke. It was still ugly though. Hey, at least I played third. Nobody cares about that. Hey, at least I played third. At least I did third. Who the fuck is saying that? Like, wait. Oh my god, I need some stuff. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Go shut the fuck up. You're revealing too much. You're revealing too much, bro. This is BS. Are you meaning BI or something? Oh my god, wait. How the frick are you? Is it BI or BS? Who wants to do it? Not me! Surely not me! Wait, guys. Guys, I was definitely first place. I was definitely in first place. Oh my god, thank y'all. Go get your nasty dusty crusty looking at bad body out of here, bro. You did not place. Okay, Oh, birthday, yes, queen. It's your birthday. We're gonna keep this, cause I feel like some like ruffles would be cute. Anyways, yes, and we're gonna put first of all. And then we're gonna switch the lips. No. Yes. Like a cute little Because I think I have the hantavirus. Guys, I think my throat is finally free. I think my throat is finally free. Like, yes, finally. Okay, we're gonna remove those bangs. I'm gonna put, we're not gonna make them a little bit bigger, but we're gonna like, and then, oh nah, crazy. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just trying. Okay, we're gonna like position it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's. Is that good? That ain't not good. That looks more like a crown. What should I make this a crown? And like, yeah. No. Absolutely not. For my birthday, I would wear like a little looking at dress, but I'm just gonna like guys, it's my sweet 16. Say congratulations for me, or else you're different. Not like that. You're weird. Yeah. My birthday is a freaking I aim bro, have some like things like, how do you say it? I don't know how to say it. Anyways, oh look, a snowflake, little snowflake, funny. Like that. Yeah, that looks cute. I never knew like the little stockings, something like that. I don't know. They're actually gonna be so cute. Got this, and then we also need some lashes. First of all, we need some lashes. Give me them lashes right now. A little plushie for my birthday. No. Where the frick are the lashes? Yeah, but like, I swear to God, where the hell are the lashes? You know, like a little, yeah. We'll make it tiny so we could have like light, you know. Then we're gonna put a little bow, and then we're gonna make it. We're actually gonna make it. We need the color. Is this the color? No. Oh, it's that color. Okay. So we're trying to make like a white and purple. No, it's just like mostly purple. No, I think that's good enough. No, yeah. Move your. Okay. My bad. I don't know what was that, but something just took over me. Nothing took over me. Detailing, we're just gonna add like this. Yeah. Yeah. The bow. It's gonna be this color. Yeah, cause why not? Don't you dare switch. Okay, yeah. Butterflies. Yeah, we're gonna put that. I said. we're just gonna add a little bit more accessories because why not? Excuse me. Ain't no way you just edit that so early. Wait, no, could be out of here. I need gloves because wait, no. Anyways, nobody saw. Oh, why me first? It has to be me first. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna like, yeah, I'm just gonna like stay there. Yeah, it's just like just some random little things. What is that? Honey. Girl, you got a baseball bat, a freaking umbrella with a freaking Dior looking at purse. I think it's called that. I don't know. But girl, you're not tough. Trying to be Michael Jackson looking up. Just kidding. My bad. Girl really needs some mental health because what is that gift box? That look giant like her whole entire damn head. And second of all, what are those balloons? You need some mental health. Actually, got my friend a gift. That's the most giant gift in the whole entire holy world, bro. That's the size of your damn head. Big back. She'll probably have like 20 big chicken nuggets for her bestie. Now, gee, you crazy. I really forgot about the freaking gift. I don't care. It's my birthday. Why should I bring gifts? Yeah. Yeah, girl. Girlie, you need some mental help. And I'm not even going. The only place that I'm going in is the VIP. Girl, you holy copied me. Holy copier, bro. Copycat. Wait, you don't even have VIP. How the frick did you even copy me? I love your outfit. 3 stars though. Better on the makeup. I think you should make better on the makeup and the poses. I didn't even pose, but does it seem like I can care? No. Pinkie Pie looking at wannabe. Pick me out doesn't even match with her holy shoes. Holy hair, red, green and freaking pink. Plus blonde. Girl needs mental help. What is that combination, bro? I'm so sorry. What is that mother freaking looking at damn outfit with some patterns with rainbow and what are those damn shoes? We're not in the 19,000s. 1900, my bad. Pinkie Pie looking at hair with Maggie. Anyways. Girl, don't you dare say, I joined late. Girl, nobody gives a freaking damn. Oh, girl, you had no time. Maybe if you had a better freaking... Wait, no, my God. You should have just left the freaking server and joined back whenever your friend said. Ain't no way you just gave advice. Ain't no holy way. How the frick would the girl with the damn freaking bat win first place? Oh my God. What did she win first place? And I got 5th place? God, it's my birthday. That's the reason why it's a birthday. It's a birthday for you. Not birthday for someone else, girl. Oh my God, bro. People know these days. Screaming at each other. Like, who would do that? Who would do such a thing? Anyways, so let me sit down. I said, let me sit down. I said, let me sit down. Not blowing the damn air. Yay. Oh, I'm not even sitting down. Guys, I'm levitating. Wee. So this is gonna be the last round, unless if the animation will keep going and like actually tell me what the next round is. I better be good. If it's not good, I'm gonna leave the game, and this is gonna be the end of the video. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing, guys. Is that idea? I think that's supposed to be IKEA, first of all. Wait. No, thank you, honey. I'm gonna be just normal in fashion, though. Yeah. Okay, you know what? We're not gonna be a VIP right now, and we're gonna get everything that we want. God, the person. You can have the head to layer, like actually. But these are big back lashes. We're gonna wear a red dress cause I am too tired to do anything. Just kidding, guys. We're gonna. Nobody saw that. Teehee. We're in Pinkie Pie looking at freaking. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what to say. We're going to a free play server. We're gonna do a whole entire roleplay, guys. We're not dealing with this today. We're just gonna do some random outfits that I just want to do. Can you please hurry up? Stop lagging. I said stop lagging. Thank you. Why do you always listen whenever I scream though? I think I'm gonna vomit. What the frick is that? Oh, you're not Laura. Yo, what should I make though? Excuse me. Because we're gonna make an outfit for the summer so we could get ready and do any quest that there is. Because hey, why not? I'm gonna be purple, guys. I am purple. Someone else gets purple instead of me. Yeah. In my summer, when summer is hot. What about your summer? You're not a fairy. Yeah, you're not. You more likely look like a freaking disabled one. You build like a disabled washing machine. What was that? What did I just see? Anyways, tropical skirt. So cute. Oh, anyway. If that girl decides to copy me, I'm gonna come for her. I know, girl, my style is so good and everything, but you don't have to copy. Like, Yeah, you don't have to copy perfect to your whole entire life. We're gonna go up. I said up, and then make it smaller. I said make it smaller. Then we're gonna go a little bit down. I said we're gonna go a little bit down. Yeah. I said yes. Ain't no way you just went in that. I wasn't ready to leave. Where the... It's safe to say that you're I want a flower belt. Yeah, that looks nice. I don't know if I want to wear anything from here though. I'm just very tired right now. I'm not in the mood for it right now. Like, I'm not in the mood for some things right now, so... Did y'all know I'm one of the top listeners in like 15,000 million? Something like that, but I almost forgot that Halloween existed. Well, I mean, I actually forgot. I didn't know the Wonderland Cuss was from Halloween. Don't you dare make me cough again. So bored. I don't even want to do some. Wait, I'll do still shadow. Cause, like, yeah. Wait, and I need my beautiful hair still, bro. You lesbian? I mean, it's fine, but like, I've never seen someone actually lesbian and like DTI. I'm gonna put myself with dark hair and like blue highlights. Man, it looks pretty cute. I know, but you just did that to me. You deserve heck. Okay, yeah, I guess that looks nice. Blue hair. Oh my god, yes. I guess this is just good. Lana, get your musty dusty because you're looking at out of here, bro. Trying to concentrate. Yes, they look cute, like pink. Yes. You're just gonna see the summer. Yes. Okay, teleport. Now we're gonna wear it. Continue. Take it on, cause why not? Cause I'm so tired. No, sir. These challenges and sales should don't drive me crazy, insane. Like, sir. Wait, guys, let me mark. Get your nasty thing. All the cracks in my phone first of all, because I just want to for the Lord of Jesus Christ. Let me get my pen. Thank you. Okay, right, cue this. I said. Okay. I'm trying to. Ain't no way I never saw that one. There was one like this, but like right over there. Then just anyways. I'm not even lying though. Oh no, my. Right, let's do it again. It's so hard to trace though, like. I mean, it's not that like type of hard, but I mean it is kind of hard. I mean, it's like a broken phone, so what do y'all expect? And also, right over, you know, like this, right over there, it's broken. And then right over there is broken too. Not this, not that, but like right on top over there is broken. I'm not taking care of my phone that much. Oh, let me join the survey. Hey guys, 6 out of 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. I'm so tough, guys. After this, I don't know, but we might play to one with kiosks, but I'm probably gonna make another video for it. Or we might react to another video about a P that I have not seen.
The round theme is?
Because I haven't seen every single freaking AU. I only saw like the first original one. I said let me complete this. Dumb. We're probably gonna do. Hey, no. No. Okay, anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I really did. I didn't really much enjoy it, but I did enjoy it at the same time. I don't know. But I hope y'all enjoyed my video. I love making content of Roblox and FPE. And hope y'all have a great day or night or evening. And see y'all later or next time for another video. I am out. Bye. Oh yeah, my new name is Moonlight. Yeah, I really like that name.